Hi babes, I have two big tips for you to keep your hair healthy when you are in vacation or at the beach, because you know that salt hair is a killer for the curly hair. First of all, I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about my experience when I got into a pool and my hair turned green. That was an awful experience, guys. That's all I can say at first. So you already know that I have my blonde hair for a long time, and when I experienced this with the green, my hair was a lot lighter than now, and it was bleached, and it just turned green, guys. It was a mess, and I needed to do like a bleach bath to just get that green tint out, and still I had it for 2 weeks, I'd say, until the green was like totally out. So that obviously made me super mad, guys, and I know that the pool water is not the same with the sea, but from that experience I just wanted something to just protect my hair, because I wouldn't like to just experience that feeling again of having green hair, like, at all. That was super bad. So the main difference of these, I think you obviously know that the pool water has chlorine in it, and the sea water has that salt in it. But for my curly hair, that salt would make it like not look, because obviously it would transform it into beachy waves, which are not super cute on my curly hair, but it will damage it. My hair is damaged after I stay in salty water if I don't apply something to it. So the first thing that I did was to keep a water bottle with me every day when I was going to the beach. And I knew that I looked like a mad person, because who would just do that on the beach? I mean, not every people are just thinking about protecting their hair. I mean, at least straight hair girls, I don't think that they would do that for their hair, because that hair is much more different than curly hair. But yeah, I would always keep my water bottle. Of course, it can be water from the sink, but please keep in mind to be clear water, because if not, it would not work. So you have your clear water bottle with you every day. The thing that you will need to do is to apply it on your hair, to soak your hair in that water. Why water? Why does that protect my hair, would you ask me now? Yeah, I was thinking the same at first, but I saw something on the internet before I went to my vacation, and it said that your hair will act like a sponge. What does the sponge do? It just keeps that water, that first water that you just water it with. And after that, your sponge will keep that water in, and it would not get another water in it until it will dry up. So I did that, and I did that for every day when I was going to the beach, and I noticed that my hair wouldn't feel like at all like drier or something. I mean, that really worked for me, and I was so happy when I saw that that salt was not sticking on my hair again. So the second thing that I did was that I kept like a little bottle, like that pump bottles, you know, for the serums or things like this. I just put like coconut oil on it, and basically I just oil my hair every day on the beach. And again, people were looking so crazy at me, because yeah, who does oil their hair on the beach? Like, I haven't seen, like, no person did this in this holiday, but I wanted to protect my hair, so what we don't do for our hair girlies. So yes, when were the days where I just forgot my water bottle, for example, I would just soak my hair with coconut oil. You can take olive oil or any oil that you want, but please take care of your hair and oil it, or apply that thing with the water, because if not, your hair will take that salt in, and I don't know what texture you have, but my texture is not acting cute with salt in it. So those are the main two things that I did for my hair to protect it, and they are not like hard things to do or to add to your routine when you are going to the beach. I mean, it's just oil and water basically, and you will always have a water bottle with you to drink water, so why would not do this? So this is kind of my natural texture now, and after this oil treatment that I did for my hair in this week, I can say that it feels much more better. So I kind of did a plus thing for my hair. I mean, I protected it and now I feel it so much better than it was. So honestly, you should do that when you go to the beach. So that was it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because I want to make this family much more larger. And please don't forget to tell me in the comments if you are protecting your hair when you are going to the holidays or not. I mean, I'm really curious if I'm the only mad person that does this or not. Our girl Glammedblondie finished her job, and now we have nice hair, guys. If you like this video, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button, because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to wash my hair again, because